Never bought a home before? How exciting and nerve-wracking all at once. Here's what you need to know to make your purchase as smooth as possible. Get pre-approval. Talk to your bank or finance broker to get pre-approval for a loan. It's essential in today's market, as most sellers will require it before considering an offer. I can refer you to local brokers and banks, and they can help you with this process. You need to set a budget. Once you have a pre-approval, you can start window shopping, attending open homes, book the private viewings, and go to as many viewings as possible within your budget. Find the right home. When you find the home that ticks all the boxes, I'll help you draft an offer and walk you through the contract so that you understand everything before you move forward. Once we've reviewed and signed the offer, I'll present it to the seller. And one of three things is going to happen. They accept the offer, they reject the offer, or they counter offer you, usually asking for more money. Remember, if multiple offers are made, I'm going to let you know, and we'll handle this by a case-by-case basis. It's important not to offer too low, as you may lose out on the property to someone else. And most importantly in WA, there's no cooling off period. Once your offer is accepted, it's legally bound. So make sure you're comfortable before you sign. It may seem like a long process, but it really is straightforward when you have the right support. We're here to guide you through each step to help you secure your dream home. Good luck, and we look forward to working with you.